Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can upload videos on YouTube through N8N. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to log in on our N8N account, and once logged in, we're going to click on Personal, and then we're going to click on the workflow that we will use. We're going to add a first step, and on the search nodes, we're going to search YouTube. Now, we're going to scroll down a bit for the actions, and then we're going to click on Upload a Video. Now, we're going to make sure that our credentials is already input in right here. To do that, we're going to fill in our client ID and our client secret. And once you're done, you are going to click on Save. Now, we're going to pick a resource, so it's going to be a video, and then the operation should be upload. Then we're going to click in our title, and we're going to pick a region code. After that, we're going to click on and choose the other options seated, and that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!